Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with lesson number 7. Today I am going to tell you a story about Ayaz and Niaz. Remember, this is part 1. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the story, you would be able to know about the story, Ayaz and Niaz. Let's begin with our story. There was once a poor man. His name was Ayaz. Sadly, Ayaz was also very lazy. Nearby, there lived a rich man called Niaz. So, you see that there are two men. One name is Ayaz and one is Niaz. One is very lazy and one is a rich man. Niaz had a large shop. Niaz worked hard. Look, can you see in this picture? One is sleeping and one is looking at him. He was also a good man. He was kind. Niaz had a big house. There were many things in his house. Ayaz had a small hut. There were very few things in his hut. Niaz saw how Ayaz lived. He felt sorry for Ayaz. One day Niaz went to see Ayaz. He took him a present. It was a large pot of oil. Ayaz took the pot of oil from Niaz. "Thank you very much," he said. "I shall use it well." Ayaz put the pot of oil on a shelf in his house, and there the pot sat for some time. Ayaz was thinking what to do with it. One afternoon, some days later, Ayaz was having a rest. He was lying on a mat on the floor. He looked up and saw the pot of oil on the shelf. "Ah," he said to himself, "I must do something with that oil. Let me think what I can do." Ayaz looked and looked. Now, what would have happened in the next part of the story? Think. Write your ideas on a piece of paper and don't forget to WhatsApp me your ideas on 0302986170. I will be waiting for your lovely ideas. Till then, bye bye.